New Horizons is busy in partnership with AFLEAD building the gas to energy plant. It is currently still under construction, and it appears that it will be completed by end of December this year, end of November, December this year. So operationally, they'll probably start to work as of the new year, taking the festive season and all of that into account. They do have people who are going to be purchasing the gas that is produced, like Afrox and those type of people. However, we are focusing as AFLEAD, we are focusing on the surrounding areas, the communities within the surrounding areas, and the community projects that we as AFLEAD can start up and assist people with a sustainable lifestyle, because based on the projects that we want to start. These will include things like collection of recyclable materials, plastic, tins and those type of things, where we were wanting to start or create like a village around the plant where people can become entrepreneurs, obviously with our assistance and training, and from waste material create other products, which could then create a sustainable lifestyle for themselves and their families. That is our objective and our passion at this moment in terms of the community in the immediate vicinity around the gas plant. My relationship with Emil started in 1997 when he was municipal manager in Victoria West and I was the health inspector. Being a health inspector, it included lots of community development and community participation work, which I involved Emil in, and whenever he needed help on any project, he would involve me in it. Whether it was related to my job or not, that didn't matter, as long as the community was being serviced and benefited from it. We also then worked on the both a national and provincial elections for the IEC, with him as MEO and me as his assistant, where we did the Northern Cape. And many a nights through the night we worked, you know, it was, him being the person he is, it was an awesome experience. He then moved to Cape Town, and at that stage I had moved back home to Cape Town as well, and he was working for Deloitte. They had a program where they needed to do evaluation of schools within the entire country, and Emil contacted me and said, right, I need you on board. I then assisted him with coordinating the Western Cape and getting the project done, up and running, got all the people, the staff and so on, and ran with that with him. About 2 years ago again, we worked on a different project with e-wallets, which didn't pan out, but was still an awesome training and learning curve for me. But the point that really stands out for me with Emil is, and in our working relationship, is that whatever we do, it's always for the benefit of the community. Always, we will always take people of the community that we are working in, and always make sure that they are the ones who benefit, and try to make whatever we are doing a sustainable thing, that it's not just a fly-by-night. The communities generally that we've worked in are very responsive. They are appreciative, sometimes disgruntled because they don't know what to expect, and so it's not all plain sailing. It's never all plain sailing. You have to deal with challenges and factions and politics and all of that, but because of the type of people that we are, with our base being the community's betterment, we rise above that. We rise above the politics, we rise above all the issues, and we get to the heart of the matter that needs to be done. And we will engage irrespective of creed, color, politics, religion. We will engage with everybody. And so we've always been able to surpass all the negative issues and just get to the heart of what needs to be done. That's the way we work in a nutshell.